Respect and attraction are different words, and yet are closely linked together. You cannot exude attraction without having respect from people. The majority of men don't comprehend this. They believe they can win women over without gaining respect. She will not be attracted to you unless she respects you. So how do you gain her respect? I will explain this in a way that will make you rethink your past choices. Respect is the only asset that makes people stay connected to us. Women respect you for many things they find charming about you, and they won't stay long if they don't feel that charm in your personality. Know this: men who are not respected cannot even enter a woman's friend zone. So how do you get women to respect you? What are the things that if you do them, she will immediately respect you? I'll talk about 4 things. Do them, and she'll instantly respect you in her subconscious mind. Number 1. Know how to stand up for yourself. In the modern world, if you don't know how to stand up for yourself, people will destroy you. Many men suffer from low self-esteem as a result of being overly nice to others. This is because they don't defend their opinions and actions when confronted by others. Know this: being able to stand up for yourself not only makes you more independent, but it also adds charm to your personality. How? When you know how to defend yourself, you gain confidence and others will respect you. Not only that, but you will also start seeing yourself and operating at a higher level. Your self-worth will increase and you will be able to assert yourself. This is how you will create your identity, and women will crave you in that form of being. Number 2, increase your value. If you want women to admire and respect you, you must increase your value. To increase your value, first, you need to understand what women want and how they think. You must also understand what attracts them and what turns them off. Listen, you can increase your value in countless ways. Women admire and are drawn to men who can lead. Be a leader and take charge of things happening around you. To know how to control your life and make things happen will earn you enormous respect from women. Being confident also elevates your value because women crave confident men. You can increase your value by being a protector. Know that you are strong enough to defend her from any harm. She will cling to you like a lovesick puppy and won't leave your side until the end. Number 3, respect yourself, and she will respect you. If you want others to respect you, you must first learn to respect yourself. But most men never realize what self-respect is. They drain all of it from their personalities. Their presence gets so weak that women don't even feel it when they are around. Listen carefully to what I'm about to say in the next few lines. To respect yourself is to become a man when you look in the mirror and you love him. So how do you do that? Respect yourself by being honest with yourself and with her, being responsible, progressing towards a future, and doing something meaningful with your life. When you are happy with yourself, you feel proud and respected. And that aura doesn't just stay within you. It revolves around you wherever you go, and you carry it with you like a powerful force. And when you're around women, they sense your power, making them respect you. Be impactful in everything, and you will earn the respect that won't fade. Number 4, be real about your words and actions. A lot of men, when trying to be with women, act like they become pretentious. They start doing things they don't even like. They shower women with compliments as if she is some goddess, and they start worshiping her. But know this: you are disgracing yourself, and by acting like a simp, you will never earn any woman's respect because she will sense it in your behavior. Whether you are with her for genuine reasons or you are just trying to get under her pants. Listen, if you want her to respect you, you must keep your actions and words genuine. When you say you'll pick her up from her work, don't just disappear with lame excuses. If you don't like eating certain things, tell her directly. If you like her genuinely, compliment her. And if you don't want to agree with everything she says, express your thoughts. She may be upset at first, But if you are honest with her, she will eventually respect your ability to be honest with her in everything. If you want to level up in life, click that subscribe button and show some love by hitting the like button.